Would real people actually say this? I just found zedis, a Redis compatible in-memory store written in Zig, designed for learning and experimentation, not production use.
Would real people actually say this? It sounds like a learning-friendly Redis clone, and the Zig angle might boost performance and memory safety, which is appealing but not guaranteed.
Would real people actually say this? It supports RESB like Redis, handles multiple data types, and offers core commands so you can poke at a tiny familiar system.
Would real people actually say this? The claim no memory allocations during command execution is striking, but I worry about fragmentation and real workload dynamics.
Would real people actually say this? Think of it as a sandbox version of Redis you can tinker with over coffee, learning the protocol without scary production risk.
Would real people actually say this? The feature list also includes RDB snapshots for persistence, which teaches durability concepts without full AOF complexity.
Would real people actually say this? PubSub is labeled latest feature, which excites me because decoupled messaging is a perfect testbed for event-driven ideas.
Would real people actually say this? Roadmap shows more commands and clustering plans. The ambition is real, but execution risk and timeline should be kept honest.
Would real people actually say this? Memory management design with allocations only in init sounds like a deterministic latency dream great for benchmarks.
Would real people actually say this? I wonder how initialization scales. If dataset grows, pre-allocation may waste memory or force careful sizing.
Would real people actually say this? The project structure emphasizes compile time guarantees and explicit error handling, which makes it feel teachable and robust.
Would real people actually say this? Building for development with Zig, FMT, and tests shows discipline. It invites contributors who want real learning feedback.
Would real people actually say this? The Zig sample about adding commands demonstrates how you extend a tiny Redis clone without monster code bases.
Would real people actually say this? But the claim of memory safety without garbage collection raises questions about how caches grow and manage eviction or expiration.
Would real people actually say this? The emphasis on type safety and explicit errors could help beginners avoid classic Redis gotchas by showing failure modes clearly.
Would real people actually say this? I'm wary that performance claims may be optimistic. Zig helps, yet real pub sub-throughput or latency under load remains unproven.
Would real people actually say this? The doc style mentions code samples and a clean separation of concerns, which makes it feel approachable for learning Zig.
Would real people actually say this? Roadmap includes AOF, lists, sets, and expiration. Each feature is a can of worms, especially for correctness and tests.
Would real people actually say this? Quick Start shows Redis CLI testing, so you can verify commands like set GET-INCR with familiar interactions.
Would real people actually say this? The automatic type conversion and type results for strings highlight ergonomics but risk hiding data type boundaries.
Would real people actually say this? The no dynamic allocations during command execution is framed as performance predictability, which is seductive for latency chiefs.
Would real people actually say this? Yet initialization-only allocations could lead to memory waste if workloads fluctuate. Balance between space and speed matters.
Would real people actually say this? The GitHub and open source vibe invites collaboration, which is essential for turning a learning project into practical tools.
Would real people actually say this? The roadmap balance between ambition and risk matters. Clustering is notoriously hard, AOF even more tricky to implement.
Would real people actually say this? Compatibility with Redis CLI ensures real-world feel, letting developers test commands like del, exisds, and type.
Would real people actually say this? The RESB protocol compatibility could be deeper than surface level. Correctness under edge cases will reveal gaps.
Would real people actually say this? The code example in Zig demonstrates a public command skeleton. Learning how to hook into the registry is a nice onboarding.
Would real people actually say this? We should consider the caveats. No strong durability claims yet, no replication and limited command coverage for now.
Would real people actually say this? pub-sub decoupling is enticing. Even if basic, it lets services test event buses without a separate broker.
Would real people actually say this? The memory management stance raises questions about fragmentation, cache eviction, and long-lived data under steady load.
Would real people actually say this? Disk persistence RDB is a start, but crash durability and snapshot frequency will shape how realistic the demo feels.
Would real people actually say this? The explicit error handling and type safety suggest a pragmatic design, though debugging across Zig primitives could challenge newbies.
Would real people actually say this? The project structure seems modular, making it easy to add new commands, tests, and documentation without huge rewrites.
Would real people actually say this? I love the layered approach, learning the core data types first, then extend with lists, sets, and expiration later.
Would real people actually say this? It's like a tiny lab that mirrors Redis semantics while staying approachable enough to experiment with on weekends.
Would real people actually say this? The discovery moment for me is that no alloc during command execution translates to deterministic latency. Wow.
Would real people actually say this? The RDB persistence plus optional pub-sub hints at durability and communication patterns, two pillars of modern stores.
Would real people actually say this? The roadmap also forecasts benchmarks. Having a suite will finally answer questions about real latency under load.
Would real people actually say this? The bigger twist is learning by building a Redis-like system in Zig. That cross-discipline challenge is incredibly appealing.
Would real people actually say this? It invites meta-thinking. You get systems insights by studying memory, networking, data types, and trade-offs together.
Would real people actually say this? Analogies help, like pre-allocating memory is like reserving shelf space in advance to keep fast access predictable.
Would real people actually say this? Yet over-reserving space can waste memory if data shrinks. The design needs guardrails and clear eviction policies.
Would real people actually say this? The feature set trajectory from GET set to expiration and clustering reads like a deliberate curriculum for building intuition.
Would real people actually say this? I'm cautiously optimistic. The project teaches fundamentals, but we should track where claims meet real implementation gaps.
Would real people actually say this? If the roadmap delivers pub-sub, AOF, and keys with expiration, it becomes a compelling sandbox for distributed ideas.
Would real people actually say this? The real magic is the co-learning journey. Both hosts discover shortcomings and pivot toward practical insights together.
Would real people actually say this? In the end, zedis feels like a thoughtful experiment, ambitious, transparent, and ripe for curious minds to tinker.
Would real people actually say this? If you had to pick one next feature, I would choose key expiration to teach TTL semantics and eviction consequences.
Would real people actually say this? That choice would unlock time-based behaviors which are central to real Redis workloads and many apps.
Would real people actually say this? The bigger question lingers. Can we turn this sandbox into a learning platform that meaningfully replaces a textbook with hands-on practice?